introductions. Fuck with the chicks with the super big butt and titties that we cuffin'. Fuck that, not men, I play the club daily. These niggas is pussy, man, I hope to God they hear me. Fuck what they be talking about, I'm on the block all the time. 9 to 5, 5 to 9, 10 to 6, I'm out. Fuck with me, baby, you gon' really need it. But I'm KNOTS, and I really like the cleavage. Hope you can hold the old 8-ball in your cuckoo. But I'm KNOTS and cuckoo for cocoa for boo-boo.
Is it me or is it anybody else that's coming inside of this fucking club and they screaming out on the bloods? Would you come up to the front? When I'm walking with that pump, I shoot a nigga quick and throw his body inside of a truck. These niggas asking me questions till I come up with that weapon. Then I'm clapping with that Western. Polar Grounds is my section, little nigga. If I tell niggas stand back, I'm not talking about a beat. When I hear somebody yell out here, first motherfucker land up on that floor. I be prepared for all the beefing, so come right to my door. When I'm swifter than the sword, niggas shorter than the dwarf. When I'm smoking on that ganja, got pissing rapping.
Yo, I'm about to stop rapping, my nigga. I'm gonna start singing. Y'all niggas gonna see me on R&B hits, my nigga.
Chillin' in the cut with a super bitch. Tangerine ass type of shit. Smoking on that sour mix with that sour cushy shit. Tropical, that's what I call my fucking spliff. So holla at your guava. I swerve in my papa. I'm that nigga and I be bugging. You niggas is out of your mind. You better jump back in your spine before I take this 9 out and push the back of your mind. Pussy niggas ain't shit. Your bitch mighty fine, so I'ma take her in the V and hit it from behind and show her that I'm long big daddy, little baby. And you niggas is crazy, think you can fuck with my paper. Y'all niggas is insane, you fucking with the main. KNOTS, I drive them insane like 6 foot, 7 foot. No, not me. I'm 10, 11, 12. I'm in that category. My dick bigger than the 2-year-old. I'm KNOTS. I kill a nigga like he's 2-year-old. That's how you win the flow off, nigga. So we again, nigga. But the beat's still going. I'm KNOTS. Yes, I got the things open. I'm hitting up the block. The money is coming. Stashing my side. You know I got the onion. Y'all talk to cops now, not me, baby. Hope you got your vest and your protective headwear, baby. Cause I'm KNOTS, plus I'm aiming at your brain. Fuck what you can think about, everybody gon' see it, man.
And then the bullets, I definitely kill you. Niggas is old paper, niggas rockin' Tommy Hilfiger. Not me, I'm walking about with the gun. Niggas stays back, A's black. That's what I spit to these niggas, days that. Listen, I walk with the hammer, niggas who try me. Suplex niggas that folk trying to play with the body. I walk around with Tommy, handguns with the screw face. I don't like to talk, handguns with the two-leg. Now he's using the handgun, wiping it like it's toothpaste. Niggas, I be in his mouth all day like Uzi. Listen, yeah, nigga, I can stay up in my place, but the gather's on my waist, trying to come up in my space. Nigga, not to hit you with the uppercut. Cell phone number, couldn't tell you. Keep it touchless, too long. Nigga, I did 2 songs too. I'm about to kill a beat before I do 2 more. Nigga. I'm telling you, nigga, he said, I was the shit since I came out the hamper. Since I shit in my pimper, these niggas talking, I will food stamp ya. These niggas EBT card dead up on the site. Smoke weed, then I popping at your head like a Sprite. Good night to all these lullabies, sit with the family. All I do is get this money, so I'm deserving a Grammy. If I'm not taking, I'm robbing. Word to my father, word to the hard hats, sewer to all them hardbacks. Fuck that, nigga, I will kick you in your elbow. Inside of the club, they be like, leave, I answer hell no. Fuck that, it's peso, high danger, we reckless. Nah,